In the world of gardening, the joy of harvesting your own vegetables is unmatched. While many crops take weeks or even months to mature, there are several fast-growing veggies that can be ready for harvest in under a month. Whether you're an impatient gardener or looking for a quick reward for your efforts, this guide introduces 7 vegetables that will satisfy your craving for swift garden gratification. 1. Radishes, the rapid crunch. Radishes are the undisputed champions of rapid growth. With varieties like Cherry Belle and French Breakfast, you can expect to harvest these crunchy delights in as little as 20 days. Radishes thrive in well-drained soil and can be sown directly in the garden or in containers for a quick burst of peppery flavor in salads or as a snack. 2. Microgreens, tiny powerhouses. Microgreens such as arugula, mustard, and kale are not only quick to grow, but also pack a nutritional punch. These miniature greens can be ready for harvest in as little as 7 to 14 days. Plant them in shallow trays or small containers indoors, providing them with ample sunlight. Harvest the tender shoots when they reach a height of 1-2 inches, adding a burst of flavor and nutrients to salads and dishes. 3. Spinach leafy goodness in a hurry. Baby spinach leaves can be harvested in just 3 to 4 weeks after planting. Opt for a quick maturing variety like baby leaf or space, and sow the seeds in well-drained soil. Regular harvesting of outer leaves encourages continuous growth. Spinach is not only a nutritional powerhouse, but also a versatile addition to salads, smoothies, and cooked dishes. 4. Arugula peppery greens on the fast track. Arugula, with its distinct peppery flavor, is another fast-growing green that can be ready for harvest in around 3 weeks. Sow the seeds directly in the garden or in containers, providing them with adequate sunlight. Harvest the leaves when they are young and tender for the best flavor. Arugula adds a zesty kick to salads and sandwiches. 5. Kale, quick and nutrient-dense. Kale, a nutritional powerhouse, can be harvested as baby leaves in just 3 to 4 weeks. Choose a quick maturing variety like dwarf blue curled Ord Russian for faster results. Plant the seeds in well-drained soil and harvest the outer leaves, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. Incorporate kale into salads, smoothies, or sautéed dishes for a nutrient boost. 6. Lettuce, swift salad staple. Certain lettuce varieties, like loose leaf and butterhead types, can be harvested in as little as 3 weeks. Sow the seeds in well-drained soil or containers, providing them with ample sunlight. Harvest the outer leaves when they reach a size suitable for your preference, allowing the center leaves to keep growing. Enjoy a continuous supply of fresh, crisp lettuce for your salads. 7. Bok choy Asian greens in a flash. Bok choy, a popular Asian green, can be harvested in just 3 to 4 weeks. Opt for dwarf varieties like baby bok choy for quicker results. Plant the seeds in well-drained soil, and when the leaves reach a suitable size, harvest them with a clean cut at the base. Bok choy is a versatile vegetable that can be stir-fried, sautéed, or added to soups. For gardeners seeking quick results and the satisfaction of a rapid harvest, these 7 fast-growing veggies are the perfect choices. Whether you have limited space, are new to gardening, or simply crave the taste of homegrown produce, incorporating these speedy vegetables into your garden will bring joy and delicious rewards in under a month. Happy planting and even happier harvesting!